Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. Did you know that oxygen will actually get into your kegs even though there's pressure on? I thought I'd make this video and explain a little about the new O-rings here from Kegland and how to avoid it, almost. My hobby beers are always going into kegs just to protect them from oxygen. But even though there's pressure on here, and you would think that the pressure would make things come out and not in. But the natural law and science doesn't work that way. Gases mix, oxygen will get in, there's no oxygen in here, and oxygen will get in. Gases mix, they will try to align. So yeah, even though there's a high pressure in here, constant pressure from the CO2 tank, oxygen will get in through the O-rings, especially these pink, white or black O-rings. So I was really glad when Kegland came up with this new O-ring, the yellow one. The yellow one, it actually keeps oxygen, doesn't keep oxygen out of the beer, but it will allow 20 times less oxygen to get in compared to other O-rings. And that's quite a lot. Even though we are talking parts per billion here, it's quite a lot. So it will protect, this O-ring will protect your beer, so it will last longer, especially hoppy beers. Oxygen is the one thing that after we package, if we didn't have any infections or anything, oxygen is the one thing that would ruin our beer the most. Except for sunlight, direct sunlight and stuff like that. But if you keep your beer if you store your beer correct, oxygen is the one thing that will ruin your beer. Oxygen and time. You can give your beer more time with this O-ring. So yeah, of course, I'm using it for all my kegs. It doesn't cost anything really. There's a link in the description where you can buy it. And yeah, so I guess that was it. Everything I can do to protect my beer from oxygen, I will. So yeah, have a happy brewing out there.